Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we're going to be making a really tasty tomato and pepper soup with a little bit of spice in. Now this is made with canned plum tomatoes, which makes it a really easy recipe to prepare.
And this recipe is enough to serve 2 people. To begin with, take 1 large onion, slice the ends off, slice in half and peel, then roughly chop. Add your onion to a mini food processor along with 2 peeled garlic cloves. Then blitz until the ingredients are finely chopped. And if you don't have a mini food processor, simply finely chop the ingredients using a sharp knife. And next, take 1 washed red pepper, slice the end off, de-seed and remove the core. Then chop the pepper into rough chunks. Now take a saucepan and place it over a medium heat on the stove. Add some olive oil and allow it to heat up, then pour in the chopped onion, garlic and pepper. Then fry these ingredients for about 5 minutes while stirring continuously. And next, take 1 can of peeled plum tomatoes and add to the saucepan, along with 1 tablespoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Also add about a tablespoon of tomato puree and crumble in 1 vegetable stock cube. Mix these ingredients together until combined whilst breaking up the plum tomatoes, then top the saucepan up with some boiling water. Give the ingredients 1 final stir, then leave your soup to simmer over a low heat on the stove for about 15 minutes. After the simmering time and once your soup has thickened up nicely, remove the soup from the heat. Then take a blender and carefully pour the soup into the blender jug. Also add a handful of washed fresh basil and then blitz your soup until you're happy with the thickness. And remember, if you don't have a freestanding blender, you can also use a hand blender to blitz your soup. And once done, do a taste test and add any seasoning if needed, and then this delicious spicy tomato and pepper soup is ready to serve. And it's also great for home freezing.